So we've got a very interesting renovation project here. Construction Consortium UK has got this renovation project, and it's a half an acre site, and we're renovating this cottage. Should have actually made some videos earlier, when we actually started ripping the stuff out, but it's still not too late. The idea is just to share with you what exactly is being done, and it's in progress already. So look at this. What we're doing here at the moment is, excuse the mess, but that's what construction sites are like. This bedroom still in progress. Look, plasterboards are done here actually. The floorboards have been put up. Look at that. But they've still got to be sanded, and insulation. It's an old school cottage, so look at that. And this is what's being done here. So insulation in there, plasterboards done halfway. Tomorrow the plasterboards would be skimmed here. Now here's the exciting one. Look at this room. So what's happening in this room is, this was basically 2 rooms and it's been turned into one. It's going to be a bedroom with a French doors there, with a window with Georgian French doors, and that's going to lead to the garden. And there's going to be a new bathroom that's going to come on that side, so we're going to have an ensuite. And I'll tell you a bit about the ceiling just in a second. That's the most interesting thing there. So I'll come into the room and look at this. We've had to do the floors, so the floorboards are going to be changed, but there was stuff that needed to be done underneath there. Now these have to be secured, and then the ceiling is basically going to be a cathedral ceiling now. So all of this is going to be removed, and you're going to have a ceiling right to the top of the cottage. And this is going to be the size of the room, which is well over 3 meters. Look at that. And that's going to be a nice, interesting bedroom. So once we've done the work, although it's unclear who's doing the interior, if we're going to do it, then we'll share it with you, but those plans have not been drawn out. But the whole roof's being done, so there's going to be a new roof, new cathedral ceiling, new floors, and a new layout with the 2 rooms opening into one. So stay tuned, we'll keep you posted.